Hi, this is Roebuck. I want to thank you for watching this video. If you want to see more videos from me, go ahead and click the subscribe button below. And if you want to receive notifications for when I make a new video, click the bell icon next to it. Now, I think in my last video, I talked about the Fearless Momma, and I went through all of the information here regarding the training, the extra goodies, the bonuses, and the masterminds, and how to set up your payment processor and activate your email preference and how to get your affiliate link. So I went over that in a previous video. On this one, I just want to make sure that people get started on the right track. When you purchase the Fearless Momma, which is $250 one-time payment, you're going to land on this page. This is your dashboard, and you want to watch this 14-minute video from the Fearless Momma herself. Her name is Tammy, and she goes through walking you through the steps of the Fearless Momma and how to get started. Make sure you watch this video. The mistakes that some people make, is that they want to rush and start making money right away. They skip the video and then they go straight to their account to set up their payment processor, activate the email, but they don't go through the training, they don't watch this introductory video, and they get lost, and then they wonder why they're not making any money. Okay, so I just want to make sure that when you get started with the Fearless Momma, you go through this 14-minute video as she walks you through the system, how it works, and why it's so successful. And then she'll show you what your next step is, which is going over to your account and clicking on Collect 100% Commissions. That is where you will set up your payment processor. And then you go to activate your email preference. Now, under Collect 100% Commissions, if I click on that, once you set it up, all you do is scroll all the way down, and you will find your Fearless Momma referral link. That's the only link you need in order to promote the Fearless Momma, okay? And I always tell people, excuse me, I always tell people to sign up with Stripe. Stripe is a free account and accepts payments 24/7 for you, and it's very, very convenient. I'm using Stripe to collect payments with the Fearless Momma. PayPal is good too, but PayPal has been really strict, and they've been shutting down people's accounts because they're promoting business opportunities and affiliate marketing products, and they don't like that, okay? So they've been shutting down people's accounts. You can still try to use PayPal if you want. I prefer Stripe. Both of them are free accounts, so might as well just go with Stripe. If you already have an authorized .net account, then you can use that, okay? But like I said, go through that 14-minute video, and then she'll tell you to go through your account, set up your payment processor, activate your email preference, promote your link. But you also need to go through the training portal, where you learn about Craigslist secrets, how to place ads on Craigslist. Go through the Fearless Mastermind videos. There's hours of videos there that will help you learn how to market, and not only market and promote the Fearless Momma, but you can use these same strategies, marketing strategies, to promote any business. And then go through the bonuses. And I think she says this in her video, but if you click on bonuses, the first bonus is how to make your first $250 in just 72 hours. You want to watch this video first. That's after you've gone through the dashboard, the main video, the introductory video, and you did the My Account part. The first bonus, you want to watch this video, about 45 minutes long, and then there's a shortcut marketing guide to $250 payments. You want to click on that, and Tammy gives her daily method of operation of how you can generate leads, follow up with your leads, and make those $250 sales. Now, I'm going to give a disclaimer here. You may not make $250 in the first 72 hours you get started, okay? I always tell people there are no guarantees when it comes to making money. So, you know, even though it says how to make your first $250 in just 72 hours, there is no guarantee that that will happen for you. But if you do the daily method of operation that's outlined in this shortcut marketing guide, then eventually you will start making $250 payments, okay? Well, actually $250 commissions, I should say. So this is a very important video to go through, and this information and the shortcut marketing guide is very important information to get you started so you can be on your way to making those $250 commissions. Now this part I got blocked off here because there's personal information from my sponsor and some resources that are exclusive, not really exclusive, but resources that are in the back office that you'll get access to when you join the Fearless Momma. Okay, so if you're ready to get started with the Fearless Momma, go ahead and click the very first link below this video and you'll get more information about it, and you can sign up, and as soon as you pay the $250, you'll get instant access to the Fearless Momma, so you can set up your account and get started right away. Okay, I want to thank you for watching this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.